Hello everyone. In this video, let us talk about planning. Now, let us discuss the topics of planning. First point is introduction, second is definition, third is meaning and nature, fourth one is importance. First topic is introduction. Planning is the function of determining in advance what should be done. Planning is the process of thinking in advance. Planning bridges a gap from where we are and where we want to go. Planning is the process of setting the goal, target, objectives, and choosing the best way to achieve these goals. In planning, we should first set the goal and objective, then find the best way to accomplish that target. For example, how to increase the productivity in the workplace. In order to increase the productivity in the workplace, uh, we may consider 3 points. First point is encourage learning opportunities. It is providing the opportunities to employees to pursue higher education. Provide employee with the technology. It is providing the employees with sophisticated tools and equipment. Emphasize company culture. A company culture consists of several elements such as work environment, company vision, goals, etc. Company culture also influences the performance of the employee. So, so uh, from these three ways, we have to choose one best way to improve the productivity in the workplace. Next topic is definition. Planning is deciding in advance what to do, how to do it, when to do it, and who is to do it. This definition is given by Coons and O'Donnell. According to him, planning is the process of thinking before action. So, in this definition, there are three W's with one H. What, where, who, and how to accomplish the task or work. Next topic is meaning and nature of planning. First point is goal-oriented process. Planning sets end target for business and it helps to achieve desired objectives of business. A goal or objective provides a guidelines for planning. Next point is primary function. Planning is the first and foremost process. All other processes comes after planning. Other processes are organizing, staffing, directing, leadership, etc. If all these processes are to be successful, planning should also be done properly. Next point is thinking process. Planning is a process of thinking in advance. Planning can be said to be a mental exercise. Fourth point is continuous process. Planning is also known as the ongoing process. Planning should be done for a specific period of time, for a month, or for a quarter, or for a year. Next point is all-pervasive function. Planning is important for all managers at different levels. There are three levels in management. First level is top level, second is middle level, and third is lower level. Top level managers do planning for a longer period of time in an organization. Lower level managers do short period planning for days or for a week or for a month. Top level management performs top level functions. They set goals or objectives or policies for the organization. Lower level management focus on how to execute the task or work. Next point is it involves choice. In an organization, managers have two or more alternatives to complete the task or work. For example, managers plan to manufacture all parts internally or purchase some parts from others. So, planning is always choice based. Next point is flexible. Planning should be flexible. Flexibility of plan means its ability to change direction to adapt changing situation with minimal cost. So we have finished the nature of planning. Next topic is importance of planning. First point is it focuses attention on organization's objectives. In planning, we have to first set the objectives or goal for the organization, then develop a plan. So, objectives provides a framework for planning. Next point is it reduces uncertainty and risk. Planning involves anticipation of future events. The future is full of uncertainty. Managers try to see the future by looking at their past experience and current business environment. Avoidance of unexpected risk is difficult, but it can be reduced by taking some steps or measures. For example, few resources should be kept to face fire and other calamities. Next point is it provides sense of direction. Planning provides a framework for workers to work efficiently and effectively. It helps the employees to work in one direction. If all employees work in the same direction, it will help the organization to achieve its objectives. If there is no planning, workers will work in different directions. In the long run, it will affect the organization. Next point is it encourages innovation and creativity. Planning encourages managers to think creatively in order to improve the organization. The formulation of plans and policy is an intellectual process. Next point is it helps in coordination. Planning makes coordination of various activities, departments, and groups to achieve organizational objectives or goals. Next point is it guides decision making. Decision making is an integral part of planning. Then, what do you mean by decision making? Decision making is the process of choosing among alternatives. If planning process In planning process, decision making occurs at many points. For example, how to make policies and objectives, what to produce, what to sell, etc. Next point is it facilitates control. Control involves three activities. Managers set goal for an organization. A plan is developed to achieve the goal, and these plan and goal become standards against which we will measure the organization's performance. So, planning is an important process of management. Thank you. In the next video, we'll be discussing some other management concept. Thank you.